Hello and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, or LV Handcrafted, across all of the socials, and I'm really excited to be kicking off our video hop today. We are celebrating the release of this new stamp set. It's called Pour Yourself a Latte, and it's a beautiful 6x8 stamp set that gives you the option of some gorgeous different latte art designs that you can stamp right into the empty mug. And as well, there are two decorative floral designs which you can use standalone, but they are perfectly sized so that you can stamp them right inside the mug. I love the fact that they're separated because that gives you the option of stamping a sentiment in here if you prefer to do that. So there's a lot of versatility with how you can decorate your mug. And as well, there is a coordinating die set, and you'll have dies that will cut out every single stamp that is part of this set. I am super honored and excited because I actually got to inspire this stamp set with some original concept art, and I am so grateful to Kat and her amazingly talented artists and illustrators who took my concept art and made it into reality and added their own style and their own talent to create this beautiful stamp set. So thank you to Kat, and thank you to her amazing illustrators. This hop, though, is super special because not only are we celebrating our release of Pour Yourself a Latte, but we are also collaborating with the Not Too Shabby shop, and we are celebrating their release of this new coffee themed bundle that is releasing as well. So in this bundle, there are two 6x6 pattern paper pads, one called Cafe Latte and the other is called The Cream to My Coffee. And as you can see, this is beautifully themed with lots of latte art and coffee inspired artwork, and it's just gorgeous, very rich, warm colors. What's fabulous is that the second paper pad is also coffee themed, but as you can see, it's a lot of patterns and nice basic set of different designs that you can use really on any themed project. That's what I love about this. Now, the two paper pads are designed to work beautifully together if you'd like, but because this one doesn't really have any particular theme to it, you could really use these papers on any projects any time of the year. So I really love how these two have been designed. And as well, included in this bundle is an ephemera pack. This one is called Coffee Latte Art, and you can already get a sneaky peek right there of the gorgeous latte art designs in the ephemera pack. So very, very excited to craft with that. And finally, there is a sheet of enamel dots, and these two have been perfectly coordinated to work with the entire collection here. So I am super excited because today's video hop is a cross-team collaboration between the Kat Scrappiness video design team and the Not Too Shabby shop design team. I am super excited. My teammates on both teams have come together. They will be crafting with both sets of new release products, and I'm really excited to see what they have to share. I hope you'll hop along, check out everybody's video, and best of all, you have two chances to win gift certificates. That's right, two chances to win gift certificates. Kat is giving away a $20 gift certificate to the Kat Scrappiness shop, and Jamie, who is the owner of the Not Too Shabby shop, is giving away a $20 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. So you have two chances to win. Hop along, and to get all of the details on how to enter, just expand that description box and you'll find a Rafflecopter link. You do also need to sign up for the Kat Scrappiness newsletter, and there'll be a link to that in the description box as well. Now, to find all of the videos on this hop, all you need to do is just click on the hashtag KSXN2S Coffee Collab. That should bring up all of the videos of my teammates who are participating in this cross-team collaboration hop. If for some reason that doesn't bring up all of the videos for you, you can expand this video or any video along the hop and you'll find direct links to each person's hop. In addition, if you prefer, you can also pop on over to the Kat Scrappiness playlist, and there will be a playlist that also has all of the videos on this hop. The playlist is a great way to just watch the entire hop, because when one video ends, it will automatically start to play the next video in the hop. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you'll hop along. On my stop in this hop, I will share with you several cards, and I'll go ahead and give you a sneaky peek of one of the cards that I made. So be sure to check out my stop and you'll see more about how I made this card and all of the other cards I'm sharing today. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye!